is he a good player okanye ukuthi sibethwe ngomdubulo. Is to show that uFlavio Silva ungumdubulo bafethu, is a quality player, especially mangoku simbona adlala noClaude Lepo, the way bebemuva ngakhona, the way central like attack becombine ngakhona bafethu, eza passes bekudala sizifuna sibona combination eyona nto kudala sikhalela as defense eKaizer Chiefs bafethu. I have to say that every time they had the ball bafethu, you can see that we were storming positions bafethu inside the box within numbers bafethu. This is something we've been asking for. This is the intensity and the brave attack that we have been asking for. A beautiful assist from Duduzi Shabalala bafethu to Flavio Silva. Pure vision bafethu, execution bafethu. This is what we want to see bafethu. There is still a concern, but despite all of the dominance bafethu, Chiefs could have scored more goals bafethu. We have to be honest kelo ilanduka bisa iqiniso bafethu singalibalekeli. But the second part enfuna sithethe ngayo bafethu yi-second half yethu bafethu. The second half, you saw that again, we came back, we controlled the game. Confidence was there, was high, key players bafethu. Everything I expected yenzekile bafethu. The match was suspended due to floodlights bafethu, and then bendinewari ukuthi ingaba ama-players azabuya mhlawumbe cool down, eluze ifocus, edrop rhythm xa ebuyile, but that didn't happen bafethu. Abuyile ama-players pick up pace again. They impressed bafethu.